To find these and other amazing products, check the links in the description and listen out for the bell so you'll know when one's available. Here's a simple technique I've found lengthens the curls of my wash and go style. Now this is a pretty standard wash and go, and I've already added my product, in this case a leave-in conditioner, the curl enhancing mousse, and curl forming custard. I've added some double prong clips and laid my hair down in order to elongate the curls a bit. I then take my turban towel and give it a gentle scrunch and remove any excess moisture. The trick here is to keep the curls stretched as you diffuse. Your dryer should be set to slow and low. As you dry your hair, be very mindful to press and pull very gently so you don't cause any frizz. Notice how I just kind of grab, lift, and pull gently. Come through, girls. Little edge tamer. Shout out to my girl April Watkins and this amazing nail polish line, Syrup. The 2021 spring collection is now available on shesgotahabit.net. She's got some colors that really pop, and the top coat, it's like glass. Some light oil to finish. Lift at the roots. And you guys know the routine. The rest is just tweaking it till you get it where you need it to be. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. And before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.